March 31st, 1814, occupation of Paris by the Sixth Coalition. The occupation of Paris by the Sixth Coalition came after the capitulation of Napoleon's Grand Army. This marked the climax of the Napoleonic Wars. As the victorious Allied forces marched into Paris, it symbolized the end of Napoleon's rule and led to his abdication. The coalition aimed to restore the Bourbon monarchy and enforce political stability in France. This occupation set the stage for Congress of Vienna, where European powers convened to redefine the continent's political boundaries and establish a new balance of power. 1854, Convention of Kanagawa. Commodore Matthew Perry's negotiation of the Convention of Kanagawa was a pivotal moment in Japan's history. The treaty, signed with the Tokugawa Shogunate, ended Japan's policy of isolation and opened two ports, Shimoda and Hakodate, to American trade. This agreement signaled the beginning of Japan's modernization and eventual transformation into a major global power. It exposed Japan to Western technology, ideas, and commerce, setting in motion significant societal and political changes. 1885, establishment of the Bechuanaland Protectorate. The creation of the Bechuanaland Protectorate in southern Africa by the United Kingdoms aimed to safeguard the region against colonial encroachment and maintain British interests in the area. The Protectorate served as a buffer between British South Africa and the expanding Boer republics. By establishing a formal British presence, it facilitated stability, protected local cultures, and ensured British control over valuable territories, contributing to Britain's broader imperial interests in Africa. 1889, opening of the Eiffel Tower. The official opening of the Eiffel Tower during the 1889 Exposition Universelle in Paris was a momentous event. Gustave Eiffel's architectural masterpiece, a symbol of industrial prowess and innovation, became an instant icon. Rising to a height of 984 feet, it was the tallest man-made structure of its time. Despite initial criticism, the tower quickly became a symbol of France's modernity and ingenuity. Today, it remains as one of the world's most recognized landmarks and a testament to human engineering. 1899, capture of Malolos by American forces. The capture of Malolos, the capital of the First Philippine Republic, by American forces during the Philippine-American War was a critical turning point in the conflict. Malolos was a strategic center for the Filipino resistance against American colonialization. Its capture by U.S. forces under General Arthur MacArthur significantly weakened Filipino independence efforts. The fall of Malolos paved the way for American control and eventually led to the colonization of the Philippines by the United States.